Looking for a top ductless contractor in Waterville, Maine? Meet your new best friend, the friendly and experienced team at Hometown Heat Pumps, Maine's leading ductless installation company, featuring Daikin, the world leader in ductless heat pumps. The first and most important step is to make sure you hire the right Waterville ductless heat pump contractor. While other contractors may treat your home like a one-size-fits-all, the team at Hometown Heat Pumps knows better. They know that homes come in all sizes and layouts, so they'll make sure to match the right product to your needs and ensure proper product placement. You'll get a professional installation by a ductless contractor that has been trained and certified. Daikin has a broad product selection of ductless mini-split heat pumps, so you can add comfort to one room, one area, or the whole house. Who will you turn to for your home comfort? The experts at Hometown Heat Pumps, of course. They're a Daikin Design Pro, an Efficiency Maine Qualified Partner, and a BBB Accredited Business. It doesn't get any better than that. Get the best ductless systems backed by Waterville, Maine's top ductless contractor. Call 207-948-7629 today. Serving Waterville, Augusta, Rockland, Bangor, and Belfast, Maine.